Oh yeah, I've got to get the flower. That's nice.
I'm a 70s chop.
There you go.
60s and 70s chop.
Good girl, Mirjam.
Find it. Find it. Good girl.
Hey.
Like 4 dogs attacked this bird now. Good girl. Oh.
Well, you can carry it.
All right. Nice start. Good puppies. There it is. There it is. There they are. Hunt them up.
Got it.
There's more in here. There you go. Find it, Rayne.
Find it.
Mirjam, find it. Here? Right in there. Find it. Good girl. Find it. Where's that? Find it. Oh, there it is.
I wasn't even going to try to shoot that one. I was like, I'm going to hit a dog. Yeah. Come on, here.
Yeah. Come here. Good. Good girl. Ow. Good girl. Good girl.
She's like, it's
Whose bird?
I don't know, we both shot. There's one of us, we both shot it. Just, oh, here, put it in here. We'll all eat them later.
All right.
Or not.
All right.
good girl, Juweel.
If we both hit it, there's not going to be much here.
Nice.
Well, at least you can
Mirjam is yellow, Juweel is green, Rayne is orange, and Kuri is the fuzzy one. That's a whole heap of dogs.
There we go.
Good girl.
Good girl. Look at Dad. Thank you.
Let him go. There's a bird in there. We're on. Kuri's on point. Find it. Find it, Mirjam. Sorry.
That's okay, man. It's only a bird. I'm not
Good girl.
Did you see that? Mirjam cut across the field to the next row, winded the bird, went back into the bird. Kuri saw her and followed her and went right into a point.
Man, if I do your reaction better, yell stock, I'm going to be able to get that second shot.
Do it.
I'm hearing something.
Something right back down.
Yeah.
There's a point.
Now there goes one of Ridgie's, so.
Too low, too low. Did she catch it? Sweet. That bird was flying right at the grass level.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think I got it in frame. Sweet. Good girl, Rayne. There you go.
The dogs are bounding. Where is it? Look at it.
Juweel, come here, Juweel.
Juweel's got it.
Juweel, hip. Yep. Yep. Good girl. All right, that's enough. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Oh. Not watching the dogs. It's down right here. Rayne's on it. Come here. It's right there. Come on, let's go. There. I think Rayne's on a bird. Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. Oh, there it is. Nice.
That's one thing about these break apart guns. Yeah.
Dead bird! Come on, somebody get the dead bird. Mirjam's not looking for it. He's got it.
There's somebody on a
Good girl, Juweel. Come here.
Girl.
Come here, Juweel.
Oh, we should take it.
No. She'll drop it, yeah. Good girl, Juweel.
Is that dog on a bird out front?
No, I didn't see
Oh, okay.
Field point. Good girl. Good girl.
it. He's probably needing to poop like
Whose bird?
hours.
Oh, it's yours. That's right.
Oh, doesn't matter. Just put them wherever. You got a pocket, put them in.
There it is. There it is. Bup, 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 bup. That was Curry's bird. We got birdie dogs here.
Yep.
Well, never mind.
Come on in.
Find it, Juweel. Find
Get
it.
him, Joel. Get him, Joel.
Juwel's birdie.
Nice!
Good girl.
Girl.
Mirjam. Good girl.
Good girl, Mirjam.
Good girl. What happened to Curry's quail? Did she find it?
Yeah, they
Okay,
brought it back.
I was watching the other dogs.
Rayne
And
brought it back.
Rayne brought it back? Okay, cool. Cool.
Alright, come on, Mirjam, let him up.
Got birdie dogs over here. Good girl.
Good girl, Joel.
Now Mirjam's on the old scent. It's gone, girl, I'm sorry. But I can smell it.
Corey, who went to fetch it?
I don't know.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl, Juweel. Yeah, as soon as you talk to her, she'll drop it. Yeah, she'll do that.
Very good, Chukar.
Oh, yeah, that thing.
He said I was smart.
Too low. Shoot it. Nice. No. And you're not going to get, I mean, we've got an amazing amount of retrieving today. Normally they just stand over the game and mark it. They don't usually bring it back like they have been today. Apparently.